Morning, everyone. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 24th, 2024. We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, aka tectonic in Dutch. They call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not all. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, first one, 3 stars Sudoku, number 7863. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Didn't done this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 25. Well, surprising, because lately the publisher published 3 star Sudokus with more than 25 printed digits. This one is exactly correct. 3 stars puzzle, 25 printed digits. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Well. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Still 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Same for this big square. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. And one of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Okay, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left, the 4 should be there. And I need a 1 here, I need a 1 there. Okay. Need a 6 here. Need an 8 here. 2, 2. Yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square. No 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. Here or there. We have a 2 in the second column. So no 2 there. 2 should be there. Let me do this, the opposite thing. Well, we already have a 3 here. This will be difficult. Okay. 5, 5. How about here? 7, 2. Yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this last row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 6, 6. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Then, alright. Yeah. Need a 7 here. Okay, and now, 1, 6, and 3. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 6. We have 1, 3, and a 6 in the third column, so no 1, 3, and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 1, 3, and a 6 goes in those 3 boxes, 1, 6, and a 3. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so now we have 2 missing numbers in this column. 7 and the 1, 2, 3, 7 and 4. 7 and 4 are missing. Well, we have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Okay. So we need a 7 here. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last row. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 4 in this big square. Should be down. 4, 4. Okay. Alright. These 3 missing numbers are in this big square. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in the last column. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left. In this big square for number 1 then. Okay, 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 1, 6, and a 3. Okay. Then need a 6 here. How about a 2 here? 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And then, yeah. And then, you know what here? 6 there. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need an 8 here. Need a 9 here. No. 8, 8. Okay, 8, 8. 5. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. Need an 8 here. Let me put some numbers. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 8. Cube here, cube there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 3. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Well. 5, 5, 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, no 5 in that box. 1 box left of the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So we need a 5 here, need an 8 here. And I need a 5, 8. Yeah, it's correct. 5, 8. Yeah. 5, 8. I need 1 number here. 7 is missing also. And 4 is missing. Yeah, need a 4 here. Yeah. 4 and an 8. Yeah. 4 in this row. 4 in the 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So on that row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And I need a 8 in this row, 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 8 and a 5 in the row above. So 8 and 5 goes in these 3 boxes. So what did you left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing there. Alright, so 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet, let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 3 and a 9, and I need 1 number here. 3, 9, and here's 7, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6 here. Yeah. Let me put that the number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row. Only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 could be here, could be there. That means in the middle column, we need a 6. Here can be 6. Here can be a 6. That means in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Okay, how about here? Overlooked. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, middle row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now. The 1 and the 3 are left. Yeah, let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and then 9 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So no 9 in this big square. Goes together with the 4 as a pair. 9 and 4. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column. Second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright, and now here also 4 missing numbers. One of them 999, 185, need a 5 here. 185 and the 2. Yeah, need a 2 here. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. These 3 boxes are reserved for the 4, 5, 8. Okay, cannot be a 3. So 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers are left now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. I cannot place the 6 here because we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. Okay. Then 9 in this row, 9 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 now in this column, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So now we have 2 missing numbers. Here can be 6 anymore. We have a 6 here. The 5 and 8 are missing. Yeah, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 5 and a 9. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Well. Here are also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 2 in the last column. The 2 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 5 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. The 5 in this column, the 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 goes together with 8 as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 now in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 and a 4. We have a 9 now in this second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this first row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 and an 8, we have an 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Here we have 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. Well. Not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. It's not the 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. And I like this one. Yes, I will do this one. Yeah. 25 printed digits. It's back again, publisher. Thank you very much. Yeah. Because the wrong indication, I'm not pleased. Every time if I solve a puzzle and it's indicated with 3 stars, then I'm expecting really for 3 stars, but lately 3 stars puzzle with 30 printed digits, 31. Well, wrong indication. Alright, this one enjoyable puzzle. Thank you. More of these kind of puzzles, publisher. And I like this one. Yes, I will do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.